Hey guys, it's Mocha, the Webkinz Mocha Pup here, and Sam and Andy, of course, and today I'm super excited because, drumroll please, because I got some new LPS, yay, and this is just the LPS here, like, let's go string. Where's my yellow ranch? Oh, here's my yellow ranch cats, and these sold, yeah. So I'm going to show you them. I'm so excited, and this is Mocha's ball. And yeah, so I got a monkey. They're actually not in that good condition. Quite dirty. But yeah, it's really cute, and they all have magnets. So yeah, got them from a thrift shop because yeah, I just literally got home. My dad told me he found some LPS. Gave them to me. There's magnet there. So I got some too. And this is such a cute froggy. He's so cute. I need some name suggestions as well. This is my favorite. The Dachshund! It's so cute. Look at it. It's so adorable. And its magnet's right there. It's so cute. I don't know if it's rare or anything, but it's really cute. And I got this German Shepherd. It's so cute as well. I need name suggestions for them all. And I got this cat. That's like, yeah. So, yeah. Name suggestions, please. And yeah, I'll give you some credit somehow. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye!